Good afternoon, guys. Mongo 68. Boy, it is one cold, you know what, here in Kansas. You know, the sun's supposed to come out here this afternoon. First major car show of the year, and boy, it's one cold, you know what. I don't do good in cold weather. That's my buddy John. That's his 55 O's to get finished up. 55. That's our 77 vet brothers. That's John's boys, Danny's like Chevelle there. It's got a good turnout despite the cold weather. It's almost too cold to drink a beer. Yeah, Danny's Chevelle's got air ride on it. All right. Got to get my hands warm. Oh, it's cold. Bye, guys.